Let's say, your company makes potato chips. And to make these crispy and tasty chips you need to grow or buy potatoes. Now, growing or procuring the potatoes is itself tough. But what's more challenging is to ensure that the quality and quantity come at the best cost. To improve the farm efficiency from planting operations to harvest, a yield estimation tool is developed by experts at Mahindra's farm equipment sector. Our intelligent application aims at planning the harvest in the best way possible and allows you to keep a hawk eye on the field through satellite and drone images. Our advanced technology capabilities help in assessing canopy cover, detecting nitrogen, water levels, size of the plant, NDVI, and a lot more. As a business user, you get actionable insights for planning additional procurement, farming, and prioritizing the harvest cycles. Now, in this part of the story, let's skip potatoes and talk about sugarcanes for a while. As part of our research, we analyzed which parts of the sugarcane fields are rich in sugar content, and accordingly prioritized for harvesting. This led to better returns and lower costs in the sugar fields. Had it been potatoes, the returns and costs would have complemented the chips. Our team is building more similar use cases across the industry. At Tech Mahindra, we are futurizing farmlands for all of us.